For today's friendly know-how, pag-usapan natin kung paano mag-claim ng matured MP2 savings this 2025. Mayroong dalawang options to claim your matured MP2 savings. Number 1 is in person or by visiting the nearest Pag-IBIG Fund office near you, or number 2 naman is via online by visiting their site. If you decided to visit the Pag-IBIG office near you, please bring 2 valid IDs and submit the filled out Provident Benefits application form over the counter. If you are planning to withdraw your Pag-IBIG MP2 savings online, please be reminded na applicable lang ito kung meron ka ng Pag-IBIG Loyalty Card Plus, either via AUB or Union Bank. Kung wala ka pa nito, meron akong tutorial kung paano ka makakapag-avail, and your only option para maklaim ang iyong matured MP2 savings is by visiting the Pag-IBIG Fund office near you. Dahil meron naman akong Pag-IBIG Loyalty Card Plus, I decided to claim my matured MP2 savings online na lang. Without further ado, here are the step-by-step guide. First, go to their website or sa inyong browser, itype lang ang pagibigfundservices.com/virtualpag-ibig. Click on Pag-IBIG Savings and then MP2 Savings Maturity, and here are the list of the requirements na kailangan mong isubmit para maklaim ang iyong matured MP2 savings. Number 1 is claim application form, so you have to scan or upload it. Pwede mo siyang i-edit using PDF editor or pwede mo rin naman siyang i-download and then i-fill out yung form and then i-scan para ma-i-upload mo siya later. Number 2 is a photo or scanned copy of your one valid ID with your birth date and your signature. Number 3 is a photo or scanned copy of your Loyalty Card Plus. And number 4 is a selfie photo showing your one valid ID and your Loyalty Pag-IBIG Card Plus. Kung ready na, click lang yung proceed. Here, we need to validate your MP2 account. So, ilagay lang natin dito yung account number ng iyong MP2 savings. And you should receive a notification saying, "Good news! You are eligible to claim your Pag-IBIG MP2 savings. Click proceed to continue with your application." Then, click on validate. As you can see, it will auto-populate your account's information, and then you need to fill out your email address and select mode of release, either by Pag-IBIG Loyalty Card Plus or through check. In this instance, I'll select Pag-IBIG Loyalty Card Plus. Then, select your loyalty cash card. Ilagay mo dito yung cash card number mo. And then, check the status of your Loyalty Card Plus. Click proceed with your application. And then, a one-time OTP will be sent out to your mobile number. Ilagay mo lang dito yung OTP pin mo. Then, click proceed. Here, we just need to upload our application form, any valid ID with your photo, date of birth and signature, and a selfie while holding your IDs. Click submit and then select OK, submit your application form. Then, you will receive a notification saying that you have successfully submitted your Pag-IBIG Savings claim application. Use this reference number should you wish to check the status of your claim application. Once approved, you will receive a text message from Pag-IBIG Fund informing that your application have been approved and how you can withdraw your Pag-IBIG savings. I'll just keep you updated kung gaano katagal bago ma-approve yung aking claim. But if you want to check the status of your claim, you may go to their website and then claim Pag-IBIG Savings. Then click on check status of claims. Select reason for claim, MP2 Savings Maturity, and then ilagay mo ulit yung MP2 account mo dito. Then meron kang marireceive na OTP sa registered mobile number mo. Ilagay mo lang dito yung OTP to check the status of your claim. And that's all for now, guys. Sana nakatulong itong video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.